Apple's AI leadership saga unfolds as a 7-year strategy meets a sea change in 2025. The departure of Giannandrea marks not just a change in title, but a shift in how Apple imagines AI within its hardware-first DNA. Amar Subramanya, recruited from Microsoft, steps in as the new AI vice president, but reports flow into Craig Federighi's domain rather than directly to the CEO. This reporting change signals an era where AI is embedded across software, not housed as an autonomous strategic kingdom. AI infrastructure shifts toward hardware-software collaboration, with Sabi Khan steering compute as Eddie Q oversees services. Behind the headlines lies a culture clash. Google-style data mindset versus Apple's privacy-first, on-device philosophy. The result is a sprawling research empire that struggled to translate breakthroughs into consumer-facing products. Siri's core architecture was reshaped, but the generative AI wave overtook Apple's pace, leaving a gap to bridge. In March, the Siri group was moved out of Giannandrea's purview, a precursor to broader organizational reorientation. Across the leadership shakeup, the company signals a return to engineering-driven, software-centered AI development. The new AI chief, Amar Subramanya's mandate focuses on product-driven AI, balancing scale with feasibility. Hardware-informed AI foundations are expected to cooperate with Sabi Khan's operations to ease compute bottlenecks. The services side under Eddie Q increasingly absorbs AI capabilities to deliver seamless user experiences. Talent exits underscore a critical challenge. Top AI minds depart for rivals who can move faster to deliver real products. Notable departures include robotics and model teams, foreshadowing risks to long-term hardware projects like Rose and home devices. Industry commentary warns, in fast tech, even mighty Apple must adapt quickly or risk irrelevance. External collaborations, OpenAI, Google, Chinese partners, hint at a pragmatic pivot toward an ecosystem of external models. The overarching lesson, rapid iteration, but privacy and user trust remain non-negotiable anchors for Apple. Looking ahead, Apple's path hinges on delivering practical, on-device intelligence that respects user privacy while accelerating experiences. This reshaping may foreshadow a new era where AI powers software, not a separate throne, within Apple's ecosystem. The clock is ticking. The era of an autonomous Apple AI empire may be ending as product teams take the helm. In a race where surrounding rivals accelerate, Apple must translate research into products that delight users at scale. The coming months will reveal whether this reorganization accelerates Apple's AI timelines or exposes deeper strategic rifts. As Apple redefines its AI culture, the broader tech industry watches closely to determine whether a traditional hardware-led giant can still reinvent itself. End scene. A question hangs in the air. Can Apple deliver an AI-driven future that respects privacy while moving at the speed of the market? Fade out with a final branding slate. Apple AI, reimagining intelligence inside a world of privacy and performance.